Hello everyone, so today we are making Chicken Provencal. It is a recipe from the Science of Good Cooking. The recipe is designed for 4 people, and due to my house size, I will only cook half of the portion. Here is a glance of needed ingredients. You will need 4 chicken thighs and some extra virgin oil, 1 small shallot and some garlic cloves, cayenne pepper, red wine, capers, drained diced tomatoes, low sodium chicken broth, tomato paste, some fresh thyme, oregano, bay leaf, and parsley, pitted Kalamata olives, and 1 lemon. The recipe called for Nicoy's olives and Ancoy violet, but due to the supplies of the supermarket, I will use Kalamata olives and capers for a substitute. I have some leftover red wine and I will use it instead of dry red wine. This recipe required a Dutch oven and an oven. Now let us start cooking. To start, we want to adjust the oven rack to lower middle position and preheat the oven to be 300 degrees Fahrenheit. While waiting, we will start to prepare our ingredients. We will remove the bone from the chicken thigh and season both sides with salt. We will need to chop the onion, mince the garlic cloves, mince rinsed capers, fresh thyme, fresh oregano, grated lemon zest, and chop some fresh parsley. After prepared all the ingredients, now it's time to cook. We will heat half tablespoon of olive oil in Dutch oven over medium-high heat. When shimmering, we will add the chicken thighs with skin side down. Remember to not move the chicken around. After about 5 minutes, you can see the chicken skin is crispy and brown. Now let us transfer the chickens to a larger plate. After sieving 1 tablespoon of the oil, we will discard the rest of the oil in the pot. Turn on medium heat. We will start by stir-frying onions. After onions turn brown, we will wanna add garlic, capers, and cayenne. Add wine and scrape the brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Now we will add in tomatoes, broth, tomato paste, thyme, oregano, herb de Provence, and bay leaf. We will remove the skins from the chicken thigh and then submerge them in the liquid. Now let's turn to high heat. Once the pot is simmered, we will cover and transfer it to oven. After 1 hour, we will take out the pot and transfer chicken to a serving plate. To let it stay warm, we will tin the plate with aluminum foil. Coming back to the pot, we will discard bay leaf and stir in half of the lemon zest. Now we will want to turn to high heat. We will stir slightly until the soup thickens and reduced. We will add in olives and cook until it hits through. Now it's time to serve. Place the chicken and spoon the soup over it. Add oil, lemon zest, and parsley on top. The dish is complete.